surprising geography facts you didn't know. 1. France shares its longest border with Brazil. France's longest border is not in Europe but in South America with Brazil. This border is 730 kilometers long. French Guiana, where the border is a part of France just like any state in the USA. People there speak French, use the euro, and are part of the European Union. 2. Australia moves a bit every year. The Earth's tectonic plates are always moving, and Australia's plate is moving northward about 2.7 inches every year. This movement, which also includes a slight twist, means that GPS systems in Australia need to be updated every few years to work right. 3. Point Nemo is the loneliest place on Earth. Point Nemo is the spot in the ocean that's farthest from any land. It's 2,688 kilometers, 1,670 miles, away from the nearest land. This makes it the most isolated place on Earth, far from any coastline or island. 4. Bangladesh has more people than Russia, even though it's way smaller. Bangladesh, a small country in South Asia, has about 169 million people living in a space of 147,570 square kilometers. Russia, on the other hand, has about 140 million people but is 116 times bigger in area. 5. Mexico City is getting lower every year. Mexico City is sinking by about 3.2 feet each year. In the past 60 years, it has gone down 32 feet. This is happening because the city is on a big underground water source, which it uses for most of its water needs. However, the city takes out twice as much water as it puts back. This has caused problems for big buildings, like the Metropolitan Cathedral, which are having trouble staying straight. 6. Canada has the most big lakes. Canada has the most lakes in the world. When it comes to large lakes, over 10 hectares in size, Canada has 62% of the world's total. The Great Lakes, which Canada shares with the USA, hold 18% of the world's fresh lake water. 7. The Himalayas are growing. The Himalayas are still growing because the tectonic plates on which they sit keep pushing against each other. This young mountain range started forming 40 to 50 million years ago. Every year, Mount Everest gets about a millimeter taller, and some northern mountains grow by about 10 millimeters. 8. Pluto could fit inside Russia. When NASA's New Horizon mission flew by Pluto in 2015, it found out that Pluto is 2,370 kilometers wide. This means Pluto could easily fit inside Russia, which is 6,000 kilometers wide. However, Pluto's surface area is slightly bigger than Russia's, with 17,646,012 square kilometers, compared to Russia's 17,125,191 square kilometers. These facts show how diverse and interesting our planet is, from sinking cities and crowded countries to growing mountains and lonely ocean points. Thanks for watching.